Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is crackle painting, and this technique could not be easier. To do this, you're going to need something that you want to paint, some paint like acrylic paint or chalk paint, a paintbrush to paint with, and some white glue, also called PVA glue or school glue. To begin with, prepare your surface for painting and paint it a base color. This is the color that's going to show through the crackle finish. Allow that paint to dry. Once it has dried, paint on the school glue or white glue, PVA glue. You're going to paint it on fairly thick and allow it to dry only a very small amount. While that is still drying, paint on your color, which is going to be your top color. Paint it onto the mostly wet glue. As that dries, you'll see the crackle effect. You'll be able to see the base color underneath your top coat. Now for this particular project, I decided to do 2 crackle coats because I wanted to have the effect of many layers of paint. So I just painted over with glue again, and then I painted again with another coat of a different color of acrylic paint. And here is the finished project. This was a frame for a tropical wall art project that I did over the summer. Happy crafting!